Alright, so this video is going to explain a little bit about the autofocus sensor and the autofocus probe or post that triggers it and how to tighten that back up. You should be checking it at a frequency to make sure it doesn't fall out. So to access it, we're going to take off the little knobs and take the actual lens plate out so we can see what's going on the inside. So remove those, set them aside for safekeeping, as mine just falls into the bottom of the honeycomb. Alright, so now we've got the head opened up. So at the bottom here we've got the spring-loaded portion, then you actually have the shaft part that is spring up and down, and then you'll see that little fork-shaped piece that's at the very top up here. That's the piece that threads on. So if this post part falls out, you need to find that little U-shaped piece and put it all back together. Now normally what you're going to see is if I press it a little bit, the red light on the sensor comes on. Press a little further, it goes off. What it's looking at is this little air gap in between the forks. Alright, so if I need to tighten it up, I don't want to do the little spring-loaded part here. I want to do the part above it. So if I turn counterclockwise, that loosens it, and clockwise will tighten it. And as simple as doing that, it'll get nice and snug. Don't over tighten it, you just want it to be snug. These aren't wheel lugs on your car. And that's it. It should be able to freely spring up and down. And then occasionally you should clean this tip as well, remove any adhesives, dust, and stuff that's built up on it, so that it will function and actually spring load. Simple as that. You'll have a good day.